I sit on a chair. I stand up again. I walk to the hallway. I pick up my jacket. I put on my jacket. I put on my trouser. I put on my socks. I put on my shoes. I open the front door. I step outside. I lock the door. I walk down the street. I breathe fresh air. I look at the sky. I cross the road. I wait at a traffic light. I smell fresh bread. I continue to walk. I sit at my desk. I write an email. I read a document. I take a short break. I leave my workplace. I walk towards the bus stop. I wait for the bus. I look out the window. I watch the passing cars. I see tall buildings. I get off the bus. I walk along a park. I sit on a bench. I rest my legs. I close my eyes briefly. I stand up again. I stroll through the park. I watch the birds. I listen to the wind. I leave the park. I walk back home. I unlock my door. I enter my home. I take off my jacket. I hang up my jacket. I walk into the living room. I open a window. I sit on the sofa. I relax my back. I pick up a newspaper. I turn a page. Put down the newspaper. I stand up slowly. I go to the kitchen again. I wash an apple. I bite into the apple. I enjoy the taste. I leave the kitchen. I sit at a table. I open a book. I read a page. I close the book. I place the book on a shelf. I stand up straight. I stretch my neck. I walk into the dining room. I set a plate on the table. I pour some soup into the plate. I taste the soup. I finish my soup. I wipe my mouth. I wash the plate. I dry the plate. I put the plate away. I leave the dining room. I return to the living room. I sit on the floor. I fold my legs. I close my eyes again. I breathe slowly. I clear my mind. I open my eyes again. I stand up quietly. I walk to a bookshelf. I pick up a magazine. I flip through the pages. I read a short article. I put the magazine back. I walk to the window. I watch the sunset. I admire the colors. Thank you.